The LG V20 using today, and then the video on the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 for metric matching mobile. So the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 is the new flip phone for metric matching mobile. This one recently got released. So this is the phone, of course. So this is a flip phone. You guys know. So you know, you'll get your basic features here. So keep that in mind. So it's easy, accessible to make it, of course. So the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 has a 2.8-inch main screen display and also has extended display as well. It has Google Assistant on board, and it has 1350 mAh battery right there. So there's the front right there. You guys can see the front, and you have your other stuff here. You know, you have your menu keys, your OK button, your send and end keys, and your number pad there. So like that. Like I said, this does have Google Assistant on it, so you'll get like some apps like YouTube and Google Maps and stuff like that. So yeah, there's the side of the phone there. Grab on the very much, I think it's on the left side of the phone. I think. There's the front and back of the phone there. If you flip side, you see. It does have a camera on there on the outside of it. There's your outside of the GO FLIP 3. That says camera, your external display, and you have the Alcatel logo right there. And then on the back, you got your Alcatel and the speaker. You flip on to the front there. That's what's on the front there. So it says the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 is a modern flip phone with the essential features from the smartphone, and none of the hassle. The 2.8-inch display includes an easy-to-use intuitive interface, and the budget keypad is designed for quick dialing and navigation. Check your email, calendar appointments, and surf the web, all with fast 4G speeds. Experience Google Assistant and get things done using just your voice. So the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 has easy to use intuitive interface with extra large buttons and accessibility features, convenient shortcuts to Google Assistant, Google Maps, YouTube, and K-Store. So that's what it runs KOS, which is like a modified version of Android. So that's pretty interesting. Compact and durable clamshell design prevents accidental calls and protects the screen. Phone less than 1350 mAh battery. Provides up to 6.8 hours of 4G LTE talk time, voice over LTE, voice over Wi-Fi, and about HD voice for excellent call quality. So it's not bad for a flip phone there. Like I said, this Google Assistant has shortcuts to YouTube, Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the K-Store, so that's pretty cool. It's a 2.8-inch main display, and then external screen with color ID. And like I said, it's Google Assistant, get things done using your voice, easy to use interface. Large keypad is designed for quick dialing and navigation. 1350 mAh battery, up to 6.8 hours of 4G LTE talk time here. So you know, easy and intuitive. Of course, the 2.8-inch internal display is great for reading emails, text messages, and phone numbers. So use calling without having to open the phone, thanks to the 1.4-inch external display. Triple S here to assist you. GO FLIP 3 with KOS 2.5 comes with Google Assistant to help you get things done like book appointments, make phone calls, and find answers on the go using just your voice. Accessibility with large tactile keys, real-time text, hearing aid compatibility, and a large tactile keyboard. The GO FLIP 3 enables any user to easily stay connected, alright? So that's right here. So the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 Has 4 gigabytes of internal storage, about 2 gigabytes available to the user, 2.8 inch internal display and 1.44 inch external display, a 2 megapixel camera, which I believe is fixed focus, and Wi-Fi 6 capacitor up to 32 gigs, mobile hotspot, 7.9 hours of talk time, KOS 2.5, 1.1 GHz quad-core processor. The Alcatel GO FLIP 3 weighs 4.16 ounces, has a memory capability there. If you guys want to get charges for the Alcatel GO FLIP 3, guys, and then y'all guys can try Amazon and type in Alcatel GO FLIP 3. So there you guys have it. The Alcatel GO FLIP 3 is going to hit Metro by T-Mobile. It is free recording, but the full rating of the Alcatel GO FLIP 3 is $99 minimum. So if you guys are looking for a basic phone or some smart features with it, Alcatel GO FLIP 3 is going to take a look right here. But for $100, I mean, it is what it is, you know. I think it's not worth $100, maybe $60 at the most, but not 100. But if you put your number Metro, you can get this one for free. So there you guys have an Alcatel GO FLIP 3 now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. So let's smile, peace, break, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.